Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Fiesta brake squealing and discusses commonly documented reasons why squeaking or high-pitched noises may occur while braking. Brake squeal in the Ford Fiesta can happen during light braking, cold starts, or slow speed driving, and the behavior may vary depending on model year, mileage, brake type, and driving conditions. In many documented cases, brake squealing may be associated with normal brake pad wear, especially when pads approach the end of their service life or when harder pad materials are used. Moisture buildup after rain or overnight parking can also cause temporary noise until the brakes warm up. Brake dust accumulation, road debris, or glazing on the brake pads or rotors could be a contributing factor in some situations. Older model years may experience more noticeable noise as components age, while newer versions could still show brake noise depending on pad formulation and driving habits. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. In general, possible solutions may include inspecting brake pad thickness, cleaning brake components, resurfacing or replacing rotors if necessary, and using manufacturer-recommended brake pads designed to reduce noise. Proper installation hardware and lubrication where specified can also play a role, although results are not guaranteed for every vehicle. Across broader automotive reviews and service data, brake noise in compact cars like the Ford Fiesta is often described as intermittent rather than constant, with frequency influenced by climate, usage patterns, and maintenance history. Not every squeal indicates a serious fault, but persistent or worsening noise should be inspected. In conclusion, Ford Fiesta brake squealing can result from a range of factors that differ by vehicle condition and model year. Understanding the context of the noise helps determine whether it is normal or requires attention. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.